How can we save electricity? There are many ways for us to conserve electricity in our own homes. Here are some tips which we can start practicing today. We watch television every day without giving it much thought. We also often leave it on standby mode instead of switching it off. Some TV sets on standby mode can consume as much as 10 watts. Now let's look at the laundry department. We should always wash full loads, but do remember not to overload the washing machine. On sunny days, dry your laundry under the sun instead of using a dryer. Your iron is a high power consuming electrical appliance. Try to iron several garments in one sitting to reduce energy usage. Another easy way to save energy can be found in the kitchen, especially with our refrigerators. Make sure you allow hot food and drinks to cool down before putting it into the fridge. It takes more energy to chill hot food. Make sure the doors are closed properly at all times to help reduce electricity consumption. Lastly, don't forget to leave enough space between the fridge and the wall or cabinet. Air circulation helps the refrigerator to run more efficiently. Replacing incandescent bulbs with compact fluorescent lights, or CFL, is another good way to save energy. CFL bulbs use 2/3 less energy and may last 6 times longer than incandescent light bulbs. But if it is daytime, why not keep the curtains open instead of turning on the household lights? Natural light can be just as bright, if not brighter. Our air conditioning units are our best friends on really hot days. To make sure they're not working harder than they should, it is recommended that we clean the air filters regularly. And to save energy, you can try to set the temperature around 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Those were just some of the ways of how we can save electricity at home.